So the following video gave you a clear idea of how a data is stored in a MATLAB in a table format. So the example was taken was of meteorites. So there you have 30, close to 38,000 rows in the meteorite table. And with commands in MATLAB, you can easily retrieve that table and store it in your MATLAB and start working. So MATLAB is going to make the task very, very simple for you. What do observations refer to in a table? I want the answer for this. So we had rows and columns, right? So what do observations refer to? Observation will refer to row or a column. Observation will refer to a row or a column. I want answer. Observation about a particular meteorite. How will you find it? Whether you will find when you do analysis along row wise or column wise, you will find the observation for a particular meteorite. Row wise, you will have complete data for a meteorite, and column wise, you will have a different parameters for a meteorite. So what do observations refer? Please type your answers in the chat box. We'll go with row. We'll see what is the answer if we select rows. Yes. So rows are going to say about the observations, but in a particular table. Okay. One more quiz question. A table has which of the following properties? So C and CME the answer. You have an option to select multiple answers also. See and select the appropriate one. So data in a given variable is of the same type. Different variables can have different data type. Each variable has a unique name. All variables have the same number of rows. So what all can be the properties of a table? If all are correct, we can select everything. But you say me what options to select. You think everything is correct? Each variable has a unique name, yes. All variables have the same number of rows, I think, yes. Different variables can have different types of data, I think, yes. Given variable is of the same time. So I think all are correct.